Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The Best Nature's Miracle Foam is probably one of the most effective and versatile cleaning solutions available on the market today, designed to tackle a wide array of messes from pet accidents to everyday spills, ensuring your home remains fresh and hygienic with minimal effort. Number 5. Rocco and Roxie Stain and Odor Eliminator, 1 gallon. Introducing a powerful cleaning solution that's certified gentle and safe for your entire family. It's free from harsh chemicals and safe for all carpets, leaving no residue behind. Don't let messes get you down. This professional strength formula is designed to eliminate even the toughest pet stains and odors, from urine to vomit. Use it everywhere your pets go. It's perfect for carpets, floors, furniture, and even their bedding and carriers. Keep your home fresh and clean with this enzyme-based cleaner. It's specifically formulated to break down organic matter, ensuring a truly clean environment for your furry friends. We're committed to providing the best for your pets. If you're not completely satisfied with its performance, we'll make it right. What we like. This cleaner is certified gentle and safe for use around pets and children, with no harsh residues. It effectively tackles all organic spills, from urine to vomit, on virtually any surface. If you have a multi-pet household with frequent accidents on carpets, furniture, or even bedding, this is a reliable choice for deep cleaning. What people say. It saved me, and I seriously can't say enough good things about it. It got rid of the smell and my problem of my cats even trying to remark. I have also used it on just about every type of material: hardwood, wooden chests, carpet, clothing, couch fabric, cabinets, outside. None of the areas that I have used this cleaner on have stained or look any different condition-wise than they looked before I used it. Unlike standard cleaners that rely on heavy perfumes, the Rocco and Roxie Supply Company Stain and Strong Odor Eliminator uses a bioenzymatic formula that actually feeds on ammonia crystals and organic matter. It successfully discouraged resoiling, which tells me it removed the scent markers only pets can detect. It doesn't just cover up odors, it eliminates them completely. It also lifted the stain without damaging the material, which is something I'm always cautious about. It's effective without being overwhelming, which makes it much easier to use around the house. Number 4. Rocco and Roxie Litter Box Odor Eliminator. Are you struggling with unpleasant smells from your cat's litter box? We have the perfect solution to keep your home smelling fresh and clean. Our natural formula is designed to tackle tough urine odors at their source. It effectively absorbs and eliminates smells, leaving your space odor-free. We understand your pet's well-being is important. This deodorizer is safe for your kitty, ensuring a healthy environment for them. A little goes a long way with our powerful odor eliminator. Enjoy a consistently fresh-smelling home without constant reapplication. Simply add it to your cat's litter box to start neutralizing odors immediately. Experience the difference it makes in controlling smells. Choose Rocco and Roxie for a reliable and natural way to manage litter box odors. Keep your home smelling pleasant for everyone. What we like. This product is specifically designed as a natural urine deodorizer for litter boxes, providing excellent smell control. It's formulated to be safe for your cat, ensuring a more pleasant environment for both of you. If you're struggling with persistent litter box odors and want a natural solution, this is the one to try. What people say. It works great on my carpet and upholstery. This foam is easy to use and leaves no residue. It effectively removes pet stains and odors. Number 3. Angry Orange Pet Odor Eliminator Kit. Tired of lingering pet odors? Our powerful formula targets and destroys strong smells at the source. Plus, the included UV flashlight helps you find hidden messes. This versatile cleaner works on a variety of surfaces. Use it on carpets, upholstery, tile, and even in your car. Simply clean up excess mess, shake well, and spray the affected area. Let it dry completely to eliminate odors effectively. Enjoy a refreshing citrus scent derived from natural orange peels. It leaves your home smelling fresh, not chemically. We proudly formulate and manufacture this product in the USA. You can trust in its quality and safety for your beloved pets. What we like. This odor eliminator powerfully targets and destroys strong, lingering smells right at the source. The included UV flashlight is a game changer for locating hidden pet urine stains on various surfaces. If you want to not only eliminate odors but also find and address the root cause with a pleasant citrus scent, this kit is ideal. What people say. It takes it all away and leaves a clean citrus scent. It's amazing. The smell of the product is definitely strong, but it's a lot better than the cat pee smell that was literally suffocating before it, and the cat smell is almost entirely gone now. It works great on dog pee accidents, and the black light that's included helps to find those hidden puppy spots. Number 2. Are unpleasant smells taking over your home? Our patented technology works on a molecular level to eliminate odors, not just mask them. It effectively neutralizes smells from the air and surfaces. From the bathroom to the kitchen, and even fabrics and closets, this versatile eliminator is your go-to solution. Use it anywhere odors are a problem. Enjoy a fresh-smelling home without harsh chemicals. This multi-purpose formula is safe for use around your family and pets. Experience the confidence of a truly odor-free environment. With its 16-ounce size, you'll have plenty to keep your home smelling wonderful for longer. What we like. Utilizing patented technology, this multi-purpose odor eliminator works on both air and surfaces to make spaces smell great again. It's effective in bathrooms, kitchens, closets, and on fabrics, tackling a wide range of common household smells. If you're looking for a versatile solution to neutralize everyday odors throughout your home, this product is a great option. What people say. This stuff works miracles. After treating the apartment, that same neighbor did a sniff test and confirmed the odor was totally gone. It has completely eliminated all the musty smell. I can now use this case which I otherwise would have had to discard. Awesome product. Great at eliminating toilet odor. I also use it in the cat room to eliminate litter box odor. Number 1. Nature's Miracle Cat Stain and Odor Remover Foam. Tired of stubborn stains and lingering odors? This powerful formula is specifically designed to tackle tough organic messes left behind by your feline friends. Its unique foam technology works deep within carpets and upholstery. It penetrates to lift and remove even the most challenging cat-related accidents. Pet parents have trusted us for over 35 years. You can feel confident using our effective remover around your beloved pets and throughout your home. Not only does it eliminate messes, but it also leaves behind a pleasant, light citrus scent. Enjoy a cleaner home that smells fresh. We are so confident in its performance that we guarantee it will work. Get ready to enjoy a mess-free home, or your money back. What we like. This product features a penetrating foam that powers out tough organic stains and odors, especially those from cat messes. It's safe for pets and home when used as directed, and leaves behind a light citrus scent. If you have cats and need a foam cleaner that gets deep into carpets to tackle their specific messes, this is a highly recommended choice. What people say. This product is a game changer for pet messes. It effectively removes stains and odors from carpets and upholstery. The foam formula is easy to apply and doesn't leave a sticky residue. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.